Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to search for specific videos on a YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. Sometimes you're looking for a particular video from a specific creator, but you don't want to scroll endlessly through all their uploads. Fortunately, YouTube has a built-in feature that lets you search within a channel. To do this, first go to the channel you want to search. In this example, I'll use the Bit9 Tutorials channel. I've already searched for it and opened the page. Once you're on the channel, look just below the subscribe button. You'll see tabs like Home, Videos, Playlists, and Posts. And right next to those, you'll notice a magnifying glass icon. Click on the magnifying glass, and a search bar will appear. Now just type in the keyword or topic you're looking for. For example, if I want to find videos related to Minecraft, I'll type Minecraft into the search bar and hit enter. You'll now see a filtered list of videos from that specific channel that match your search. You can scroll through and quickly find the content you're looking for. And that's it. A simple and effective way to search through a YouTube channel without digging through every upload manually. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.